Okay, so I just remembered this in my head. The Winterstorm warning in Wisconsin on November 20th, 2015 at 9 p.m. November 20th, 2015, 9 p.m. to Saturday, November 21st. Saturday, November 21st, 2015 at 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time and 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. So, I was with my grandparents just when all that happened. It was about like 9:30 is when it started falling. And yeah, they had the blinds closed, so I didn't get to see it. And on Saturday morning is when it finally happened. I went out, and yep, it's white. Dude, I was frightened on my life. So yeah, I hope you guys get this now. So, happy 1 year anniversary, Milwaukee. A year ago today. Happy anniversary. So, I think 3/4 inches of snow. Dang. 3/4 inches of snow. Yeah, I woke up Saturday morning and went out, took a picture on my grandma's old phone with my hand in front of it, thumbs down for this white, stupid ass weather. So I hope you guys get this now. Happy 1 year anniversary, Milwaukee. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, all.